Hey everybody, Brian with Acme Tools here today with the Crescent LSSP6. Now this is a new layout square by Crescent. Looks like most traditional triangle squares that a lot of you people are carrying in your tool bag or your tool belt. But it does have one additional feature, or several additional features, but one main additional feature. We've all gotten to the piece of material that's too wide for our square, so we'll put it on, make a mark, flip the square over, and then try to line it up and complete the square or the line all the way across. This unit has a little extra capacity built in. So standard square would be 6 inches, which this one is across the edge. With the fold out, we've actually got up to 12 inches of straight edge material. Now, this unit does have a single pin that goes all the way across this hinge to keep it nice and firm throughout the life of the square. This is an all aluminum square, so it is actually built very nice. It is lightweight, but it does have a better feel to your hand than, say, some cheaper plastic squares. The other things that I've noticed on this, it folds flush, so if you're using it folded up, it does sit nice on the material that you're going to be marking on. And then to open it up, just put your thumb through the hole, pop it in, and then it will lay nice and flat when you're making your mark. The other thing that I liked about this square is that there are some solid lines on the measurement here. And actually, you can see it on this side. You have a solid line at 1.5 inches for the thickness of your 2x4. We have a solid line at 3.5. That would be the width of your 2x4. And then again, you have a line at 5.5 for the width of your 2x6, 7.5, and then also 9.5 for your 2x8, 2x10. A lot of nice features gone into this. Crescent did a really nice job. And you can see that when you shake this, it's not going to come loose, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose in your pouch or getting damaged. Again, push it, it'll open up. On the very end, there are 3 little spring-loaded balls, and those will pinch against the flange on the square. So, very nice job by Crescent. We want to say thank you to them for sending this out, and thank you for watching. And remember to always do your best work.